What's going on, everybody? Check it out. Check it out. See that? Check it out. All right. My ribs, basted with mustard. Then I put that old good old paprika on that bad boy. Some honey, onion powder, little lemon powder. My favorite seasoning. I mix that. Bell pepper on stir fry. I put on everything. Brown sugar. Check it out. Glistening. Now I'm gonna put the rest of my bell pepper things on these bad boys. Just pour it all out. Get all good juice. Alright, spread it all out. Okay. Alright. All that on there. Okay. I gotta add me a little more onion powder. Even though I got onions on it, got a little more onion powder. Yeah. There you go. Alright, everybody, check it out, check it out. Alright, wrap this bad boy up. Showtime. Alright, got that baby sealed up like a pig in a blanket. Alright. I'll be back with the finishing touch. Alright. Peace out. God bless. Be safe.